How you guys doing today? Today it's the Spottswoode Lyndenhurst. It's a Cabernet Sauvignon from 2018 vintage. And we're going to review this wine just to give you a background about Spottswoode. I mean, it would be very few people that would not have heard about the Spottswoode winery, and really excited to try their Lyndenhurst, which is their lower end. I would not use the word lower end in a bad way, but it's a second label that they have from their winery. First one, of course, the Spottswoode Cab, and this one is the Lyndenhurst. Let's check it out. So about Lyndenhurst Cabernet Sauvignon from Spottswoode, the winemaker is Aaron Weinkauf. He's been with the winery for a long time. And this being an AVA of Napa Valley, they have sourced the grapes from a few other vineyards, few other sites, but still in Napa Valley. One of them being in St. Helena, their own estate. Then they have sourced the grapes from Atlas Peak, Knights Valley, and a couple of other vineyards also based in these areas. Even in Napa Valley floor, they have sourced the grapes. So the rating on the Lyndenhurst 2018 has been all over the board, but actually all above 92. Wine Advocate put it at 92, James Suckling at 93, Jeb Dunnuck at 94, Vinous also put it at 94. So really looking forward to it. Classic scores, great scores, and great prices as well. So let's check it out. So because of the availability, I was poured a bit stingent of it, but still enough to taste the wine. The color on that is more on the purplish side. There is some visibility through the wine. I would not use the word opaque, but hueness is there. Let's see you can see the legs coming out slowly now. There you go. Let's check the nose. Ooh. Minerality just pops out. Wow. Wow. Like fresh blackberries. Definitely that graphite minerality is there. Good amount of baking spice. Cocoa powder, violets. On the herbaceous side, like more tobacco kind of thing. Now, I don't know if I don't remember if I told you about the barrel aging of this grapes or the wine. 20 months in French barrels, 20 months prior to bottling. They're using 50%, 57% of the grapes are aged in new French oak. The rest of them in the seasoned or the 1 year used French oak barrels. And they have used 4% of Hungarian oak, which gives another definition or another characteristics to the wine. So I guess that cocoa, that licorice comes from that intermingling. That is what my knowledge says. But very enticing, very, very beautifully calling for. Wow. Let's check the palate. Very structured. Very structured. Wow. Very floral in character. The tannins are firm, very grippy. Very finely grained kind of thing. Definitely a full-bodied wine. Nice structure, as I said. Very balanced. This is like the old school or the classic California Napa Cabernets. Beautiful. I mean, kudos On a drier side, I would pair this wine with anything, bring it on, you know. Nice filet or even a marbleized New York steak would be perfect pairing. But I won't be hesitant pairing with like any game or gamey meats or even poultry. Lamb chops are great too. So I hope you enjoyed it. Check it out.